If your iPhone storage is full, we're gonna fix it right now. Before you wipe anything, remember, if iCloud Photos is on, deleting here removes it across all of your synced devices. To save your memories without using phone storage, back up to Dropbox first. It's a secure digital attic that lets you delete confidently while keeping your photos accessible, and you can share them later via secure, password-protected links. To delete all photos on your iPhone, in bulk, open the Photos app and tap All Photos. Then tap Select in the top right. From there, tap the bottom right photo, and without lifting a finger, slide to the left and then straight up. The screen will auto-scroll and select thousands of photos in seconds. Once they're all highlighted, hit the trash icon. To delete files on iPhone like large PDFs or downloads, open the Files app. Tap Browse at the bottom. From there, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Hit Select and highlight your unwanted files. Finally, tap the trash can and click Delete All. If your storage bar hasn't moved yet, it's because those files aren't truly gone. Go to Photos, then Album, and scroll to Recently Deleted. Tap Select and then Delete All. This is the permanent step. If you made a mistake, you have 30 days to hit Recover before they are gone forever. To make sure the process is complete, go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage to confirm the space is available. There you have it. Your storage is officially cleared and your important memories are safe and secure in Dropbox Cloud.